Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a Barbie pandemic kit. This is what we're going to be making today. First, we're going to make the face mask. Now in this kit, there's going to be 3 different items. Here I have some examples. We have a face mask, Barbie, some Lysol spray. You can print out any label you want. You can put Clorox, Lysol, anything you want there. And then we have some toilet paper. So what we're doing is make the mask first. So let's just cut out a strip of felt. And then if you have a Barbie, then it would be great because then you can help see how wide and stuff you need to make it. So ours goes about right there. And then we're just gonna make it more of an oval shape. Just round those edges off. Like that. And then if you want, you can cut out tiny strips like we did here. It's hard to tell, but we put little lines right there. So if you want to do that, you can. Just like that. Then you're going to take some white felt and cut thin lines, 2 thin lines. And instead of felt, you can also use yarn. Here I used felt, and I just cut 2 thin lines, then glued them together in the back. Or you can use white yarn, and then just cut a piece off and attach it around there. Of course, you're gonna make it a little bit shorter. And then you can also, what you can do is take 2 small strips like that, glue them there, and then tie it around in the back. Or you can do like I showed you on the pink one with the felt. Now that it's dried, we'll just take our Barbie doll and cover her nose and mouth, and then you can either tie it in the back, or you can, with this one, just attach it to her ears or hair. Alright, next we're going to be making the Barbie toilet paper. First, what you're going to do is take some white felt, right here. I'll just cut a block of it. And then you're going to cut a strip of felt that you want to be like as wide as your toilet paper. So I want mine to be about the same width as this one. So I'm just gonna cut that. And then roll it up until you find like the right size. And you don't have to roll the whole thing up, just roll it until you like how it looks. There for me. And then I'll just cut that extra off. just like this. And then you're going to cut 2 circles that fit on either side of your toilet paper. And if you want, a trick I use is I cut like a square that my circle would fit in. I'll cut 2 of those, and then I'll glue my circle down, and then after the glue dries, I cut off all the extra around, just like this. Now we're going to take a piece of black or really dark felt, just a small piece, and cut out 2 small circles. And these circles are going to be the ones on the side of the toilet paper, so make sure they fit. Just like that. So I have a black dot on each end. Now what we're going to do is take another piece of white felt, and then let's make sure it's the same width, yes, as our cylinder. And then cut it to where if it was in a Barbie world, this will be 1 sheet of toilet paper. Now we're going to glue it down to the toilet paper roll. Glue it down like that, so then it looks like it's hanging off. Just like that. Now we're going to take a pencil and we're going to draw dotted lines. It's hard to tell, but we drew dotted lines on the example one, and it's supposed to represent the seam on the toilet paper where you can tear it off. So we're just going to draw dotted lines. And if your pencil isn't working, I suggest using a pen or a thin Sharpie. Just like that. And there you go. This is your Barbie toilet paper. Finally, we're going to do our Lysol spray or Clorox spray or hand sanitizer, whichever one you want to make it. So, what you're going to do is take a piece of felt that has a similar color to what spray you're going to be making. For example, if you're doing Clorox, I suggest using a light green, a Lysol, maybe a blue, and like that. So same thing that we did on the toilet paper, we're going to make a cylinder shape. So first cut it to how wide you want it to be. And then we're gonna make a cylinder shape, which is gonna be our base. Just like that. Now what I'm gonna do is cut a strip of white felt. And here you wanna make sure it's the same width when you glue it together. So let me make sure. And then I'm gonna make it a bit shorter. That, because this is going to be the part that you spray with. Maybe even a little bit shorter than this, and then glue it together. Yep, this is good. Glue it together and make sure it's the same width, and then just like that. So we have a blue base and a white lid. Finally, we're gonna print out a small label of whatever brand you want your spray to be of, and then glue it to the front. Just like that. It's a little bit hard to see, but. And then finally we're gonna take a small dot of black or blue, just any dark color. and glue it to the front on the white part. So if the label's right there, we glue it right there. Just like that. And there you go. We have our toilet paper. We have our Lysol spray. And then we have our Barbie face mask. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!